Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other mid-size pickup can match. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.